Okay, today is Saturday. Okay, notice that yung stairs, this is the back side of the studio type. It's got stairs now. See the stairs. Meron siyang hagdanan sa likod. And, you know, okay. So notice the toilet. Mataas na siya. And it's got windows na. For both sides. Got windows. So I'm going up to the other side. So here it is. Ito yung lababo. See the lababo. So medyo furnished na yung loob. Notice the walls. It's furnished. So furnished na siya. So yung wallings. This is the door. Sino notice the door? Meron na siyang calls dito wala pa eh. Meron na siyang para sa door. See that? Furnished na siya. It's furnished. Medyo makintab. So the flooring's not yet done. Anyway, the toilet is here. So yan yung toilet. So may harang na siya from the other side. See that? Okay. So okay. Ito ikakabit to sa may back side. This one. We'll go there. Okay. So there's no aircon butas yet. No? Wala pa siyang hole for the air condition. And shit. So here, kung siya meron siyang wall. Okay. So this is the back side of the new house. So I'm going down on the stairs.
Me also, I'm going down the stairs. This is Matthew.
It's Matthew. That's Matthew. Matthew makulit-lit, maliit-it. So I'm going to the other side. Other side. Here it is. So same thing. Meron na siyang so furnished. Medyo magkaibang team kasi yung gumawa nito. So siya concentrate more siya. Look at the back door side. Meron na siya ring wall like this. Meron na siyang wood like this. Same thing. So this one, hindi pa siya napapakintab but medyo naplatadahan na siya. And it's got an aircon hole. Aircon hole. I hope the aircon will fit there. Anyway, so yan yung finished, almost finished products. So yeah. So ito yung sa lababo. And here, like I said, medyo meron na siyang ganito sa back side. So yun yung bahay. So ito yung toilet here on the other side. Notice will be finished by this week, I think. So yeah. Now we're going to the main house.
So we're going to the big house.
Yeah, the main house, called the main house. Okay, malupa na siya because dumating na yung panambak. So basically, may mga, if you notice, matataas na yung sa biga niya sa mga poste. Taas na siya. See that?
Daddy,
See, matataas na siya.
that's
Basically.
here.
So that's the house. They call it studio type. No? That's what it looked like. So yan. So going to stairs. Medyo malupa siya. Matthew, be careful ah. There's a lot of sharp objects here. So yun. So pinopormahan na yung biga, if you notice sa may doon, no? May bakal siya nakalagay for biga for the second floor. So yung lupa, they're starting yung lupa.
Daddy,
Nag-start na silang maglagay ng lupa. This one is almost done. Konti na lang, oh. You know, they will be doing it by next week probably because today is Saturday. Of course. So that's the studio type house. Looks like. Okay.
Daddy, you go down here.
No need. So same thing. There's no changes. There's mga pipings complete. Although mataas na rin yung wall for the second floor. Notice it. Matataas na siya. So yan yung biga. By next week they will start. Here's this will be the parking space. Magiging parking space. Yan. Yung school ni Matthew. Alright, and this is how it looked like up here. And this would be it. Matthew, say. Matthew. This is Matthew reporting. Sign out. Say like that.
Matthew reporting.
Again. Look at me.
Matthew reporting. Sign up.
Yeah.